Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NSYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $5.70. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $5.70, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to somehow actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that would be this former breakout area, and that sits down here right around $4.75. So 570 and then 475 going to be those two near term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. Granted, yeah, this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon. I mean, if you're some sort of short-term day trader, then yeah, maybe you don't necessarily care about the purple line. So just, from a just clarification's sake, I'm making these comments based on somebody that would care about, the big picture of things. And like I said, big picture wise, just watch that purple line. As long as the price is above it, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, party stopped today right up around 650. So keep an eye on that. But as far as the other levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now is just go through healthy consolidations and build higher bases, because higher bases that are built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.